Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add checkbox in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet and let's say we want to have our checkbox here. So what we will do is let's write down here the check box. Okay, now let's say we want to have our checkboxes here. So what we will do is go to developer option, and here you can see there is an option of insert. Click on the ribbon. Here you can see there are two options of form controls and ActiveX controls. Let's click on any of them. Let's say I will click on it, and here you can see there is a plus icon is appeared here. If you just put your option here, you can drag it down and customize your size according to your choice. So here you can see it will be ticked. Here are some text within it, as you can see here. So let's remove them. Let's remove the text. Let's remove the text. Option button 1. Okay, as you can see, the text is removed here, but you can add some more options here too, like it, or simply drag the first one here. Okay, let's do it with another checkbox. Let's take it. You can see there is a text called Checkbox 3. Here is the original checkbox here. Delete it. Let's delete the checkbox text here. As you can see, it's removed. So just keep your thing here. If you click on the checkbox, it will be right clicked. If you want to remove it, then just simply click on the checkbox again. It will be removed. It's the original checkbox. It's an option bar. Okay, if you want to drag it down or apply same for the rest of your choices, then simply drag them, and here you'd get the same checkboxes here. You can check any of them and left blank any of them. It will be dependent on you. So this is how the checkbox works. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.